Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a website like this. So, something very simple with using Java and how to publish it. So yeah, and before I start, I just want to say there's this YouTube channel called Crimson. I know the person who makes it, so please go over, watch her video in full, subscribe to her please, and like the video. It means a lot. Thank you. So obviously, first thing you want to do if you're making a website is the doc type. Well, I'm not going to write, I have one already prepared. If I go on this one, but I'll explain everything. And also, this is also a tutorial for using lists. So, title, things to do when making a video. That's what I'm just gonna do. Favorite fast food. It doesn't really matter what title is, it's not gonna appear. So if you wanna make a list, so open, li, close, hamburgers, close. If I run this, as you can see here, hamburgers, french fries, onion rings. And if I implement this code, the body ID for body style to align it, Control C, Control V, I can just add it in here. It's going to obviously align it. And as I did in the last video, if I add this, oh well, yeah, it's gonna appear as a green subscribe. So yeah, that's a slow recap and something new. Very easy to make a list. So to use that, let's say I only want this code, the code of this. I would Control C this. So now onto Google Sites. You can use, they have some templates over here. Personal, portfolio, work, small business, education. So I'm gonna start off with a blank. So what you wanna do is first name your title. So I'm gonna be like recreating this one, on this. So first, obviously your title. Let it load. While that's loading, I'm just gonna say please do subscribe. We're coming up on 30 subscribers. That would mean a lot. I put a long time of effort into videos, so please like and subscribe. So yeah, so let's say I would call it yogurt. That's my thing. So I'd call it yogurt. So now let's say I can add logos over here. So let's say in the corner I want a logo. Well, I can upload it, So then you can upload a little picture. You don't see the actual thing. You can upload a picture. So let's say I'm gonna add in my logo. So I think you can see it. Just add it in. So if I find that's a little bit too big, which it is, I'm gonna make it about that small. So now, yeah, we're gonna have the logo and make it look small like this. So now we have the logo. Put it over here. That's good. Add footer. I don't need to do that yet. So what we got before, we can over here and did the code. This is where you can make your code, your Java code. So I'm just gonna copy paste it onto here. So now I have the whole thing. And I'm actually gonna use this one. Now I'm thinking of it. I can actually use this one because it's gonna work out better. Because it's also gonna have the subscribe and stuff. So if I add it onto this, next, it's gonna look like that. You'll see it. Hamburgers, french fries, onion rings, subscribe. So I would insert it. So now it's gonna be over here. So now I would put it more on the side over here. Make it, smaller. And then I can write over here. And here, while that's loading, you can get a text box. Now, text box work a little weird, and this website's a little bit laggy and stuff. But using the text box, I can write food that I like. And you can change it. So let's say I don't like that at 11. I want to make it bigger. I can put it to, I think you can go over 96, but I'll put it to 24. And you could change this. I usually like to put in impact, because it really makes it better, I find. And I can move it. So I would move it over here. So food that I like, hamburgers, french fries, onion rings. Okay. So there's also multiple other things you can do. Like I can put in a YouTube video. So what I would first do is grab another text box, write in videos that you should go watch. Videos that you should go watch. And honestly, you should watch these videos I'm about to say. So again, I would choose impact and make it at around 36. 36 is pretty good. I just realized should Here you go. Now you grab it, you move it. I'll put it over here because it's gonna be at the bottom now. So now I would go on the side over here and go on YouTube. So I'm not sure if you can see this little window, but basically, you should be able to see it. I'm not sure, but there's a little window that says YouTube. If you can't see it, and I always have to write my channel name, Yogurt, and a bunch of videos are gonna pop up. So I'm gonna select the videos that I want. So my Rocket League highlights, JavaScript tutorial, my first one, and let's say my Yu-Gi-Oh, my Silver Scattering Clutch, one of my favorite videos. Like not a lot of people watch. Okay, so now as you can see, videos that you should go watch. One's there, one's there, one's there. So obviously I want to make these smaller, and you don't have to. I'll show you how to do it really easily. You don't have to make every single one as small as you're about to see. So I'm just gonna very slowly make it smaller. It's very like this website I find is very laggy. I don't know if it's because of my OBS, but you know. So yeah, that's a pretty good size. There you go. Maybe a bit larger. There you go. So now I'll just grab this one and put it on the side of this. So it's over here. You can make it different size and stuff. So like this one's gonna be, yeah, there you go. Now this I'm just gonna make it, well like that. Stop. I want it to be the same size around as the other one. So it's a bit bigger. Like this. There you go. Now this one again, same thing. I'll make it bigger like this. Let's see. And there you go. So Sky Dragon, the Rocket League, voice reveal, the JavaScript, and Silver Sky Dragon. So now I have that. Let's see on my other one. What else can I show? Oh yeah, this is a really good one. Buttons. So let's say I want to add a button right here. That button's gonna be called Go Sub. Go right here after right. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Your link. So now I would select. You know, I'll do this link, the YouTube channel I want everyone to go watch. I would bring over here, and I would put it in. Insert. So now, if someone would go press this button, it would bring them to that page, and hopefully they would go subscribe. So let's say I want to publish this website. I would go on publish. Now I'm really not sure if you can see this. Let's see here. I'm really not sure. Sorry if you can, but it says web address. So I would write web for vid. So if at the bottom, that's a good name. You can make a custom. This is the custom URL. Search settings, and you can publish it right there. I'm not gonna publish this, but I will publish this website. It's almost done. I'm gonna add like one more thing or something. You probably won't even notice it, but I will publish this website. The link will be in the description because by the time this video comes out, it will all be ready. So if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Also, again, go check out this YouTube channel called Crimson. The link will be in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching.